Today we're going to show you how to perform a restore in AvePoint Cloud Backup for Dynamics 365. The first thing I'm going to do is enter into the AvePoint Cloud Backup solution, and then under Dynamics 365 Backup, I'm going to go to the Restore option. Then I'll choose my organization and enter in my search criteria to find the level that I want to restore, and then enter in any keywords to do a search for the information corresponding to that level. Once I perform my search, I'll be given the results, and then can choose the option to restore my results. Here I can see to only show the differences between the comparison of fields, entities, and records, and I can see the backup value and the current value as a list as well for all of the existing data. Then I can choose the fields that I want to restore, and then simply select the restore option. I'll be given maybe given a warning, and then can choose to continue. This has been how to perform a restore with AvePoint Cloud Backup for Dynamics 365. Thanks for watching.